$1,000 plus for a pre-built gaming PC sounds risky, but this Skytech Archangel 5 has an RTX 5070, 32 gigabytes of DDR5, and a Ryzen 7 9700X. So is this actually a good deal, or is there a catch? Here's what you're getting: an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, NVIDIA RTX 5070 with 12 gigabytes of GDDR7, 32 gigabytes DDR5-6000 RAM, and a 1 terabyte Gen4 NVMe SSD. It also comes with a 750-watt gold power supply and a 360mm ARGB liquid cooler. And Skytech throws in Wi-Fi, Windows 11, a keyboard, mouse, power cord, and start guide. So this is basically a plug-in-and-play setup. But here's what caught my attention. The Amazon listing says the warranty covers 1 year of parts and labor, plus lifetime technical support. And the product is listed under Skytech Gaming, not some random mystery brand. So is it a scam? Based only on this Amazon listing, there's no evidence here proving it's a scam. But remember, a product listing alone can't guarantee your individual buying experience. If you want to check the exact specs and read the buyer reviews yourself, I'll leave the Amazon listing below. The real question isn't, is it a scam? It's whether this hardware is worth your money.